Hi guys. Do you know when a man has some of his weakest moments in life? It's after losing a woman he thought would stick by him forever. A breakup is a time when even the strongest of men display a weakness of will, emotion, and self-control that ends up doing way more harm than good. But here's the even bigger problem. From stalking her online to indulging in cheap momentary distractions, everything men do in their weak and emotionally volatile moments only validates the woman in her decision to leave him. I believe you need to see this moment almost as a test to your self-respect and masculinity. Now, I want to preface this by saying I only recommend doing this if the following two criteria were met. Number one, the woman was truly at fault and you gave 110% in the relationship. Now, whether you take her back or not is completely up to you. But making a woman miss you is more about your closure, peace of mind, and satisfaction than it is about actually getting her back. When you're dealing with a woman who feels good and secure in her decision in leaving you, even when it's unwarranted, the unwarranted part is adding insult to injury. And that's why you need to make sure there's always a tinge of regret she feels for losing you. But for that to happen, you have to first avoid wallowing in your emotions. A lot of men ask, why did she leave me? 100% of the time, the answer is because somewhere along the line, she thought she could do better. And that doesn't necessarily mean with another guy. That could mean just being on her own. She thought she could do better. That's it. The only way to make her regret losing you is to walk away from her unfazed, not feed into her emotions, and continue on the path to becoming an exceptional man, as if she never existed. Here's an open secret about women. They feed off of the emotional highs you give them. Whether it's stalking her social media or sending her messages of apologies, she enjoys every second of the emotions you display for her. So here's exactly how to make her regret losing you. Number one, cut off supply. This is sometimes called the no contact rule in dating psychology, and it's exactly as ruthless as it sounds, but it's necessary. Doing this replaces her satisfaction with a high degree of frustration and curiosity. See, women are so used to a man chasing them that when she breaks it off, she's expecting for you to break and contact her, whether it be through a phone call, DM, text message, smoke signals, something. She's expecting something. Now, it might be difficult at first, but you have to resist the urge and hold your frame. But this is just the start. Number two, become an exceptional man. The most important step to making her regret losing you or want to get back with you is becoming an exceptional and competent man in every way possible. Listen, there's some things in life that just can't be gamed or faked. You have to put the work in, and being a genuinely high quality man is one of them. No woman regrets losing a guy with zero substance. So make sure to always be on your grind and become physically, mentally, and financially stronger every single day. The stronger you are on that male hierarchy, the more leverage you have over her, due to there being fewer men at that level. So this inherently makes you more valuable. By elevating yourself, you naturally make her reconsider the decision she made to leave someone of your caliber. Number three, rinse and replace. Now, I'm not the one to recommend a man who's already going through a breakup to try to find comfort in another woman, because at the end of the day, all that is running from yourself. But once you've done the work of healing yourself, get back out there and explore your options, because there's something else that comes with this new elevated version of yourself, and that's options. There's nothing that stings more to a woman than seeing the guy she lost with another woman. The first thing she'll do is try to comfort herself with affirmations, but the regret she'll have inside will eat her up. Now, before you say this is playing games, I assure you it's not. This is just basic female nature. There's a well-known and well-proven psychological phenomenon that you'll see often in dating called pre-selection. Women are attracted to guys other women are attracted to. Women want men other women want. In this way, social proof is used by women as a barometer for a man's attractiveness. Several studies indicate that women rate men attractive 85% of the time when informed that other women have also given him high ratings. So at the end of the day, you can rest assured that your ex is watching and taking notes on all of your moves. The biggest part of making a woman regret losing you is showing her the kind of life she's missing out on and letting the excitement of life help you move on. Focus on the bigger things in life and don't allow yourself to fall off. Give her the chance to chase you by not chasing her. If she comes back at the end of all of it, the ball is in your court. If she doesn't, so what? The goal here is to create unshakable confidence and self-esteem and create positives in your life that will outlive the memories of her. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.